Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Magnus rail. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I'll open this up. So here's the packaging. So this is actually my second Magnus piece. My first one was the Toad X. I recently did an unboxing and review on this. You guys can watch it right here. I'm gonna compare this to the rail. All right, I think we're done with the knife. All right. And there's a knife in here too. Thank you, Osman and Tina. It's the same thing as we got in the last package. So yeah, Magnus.com, you guys can check him out. And his Facebook page too. I'll leave his Facebook page, his Facebook buy, trade, and sell page, and also a link to his site down below, so you guys can check it out. Maybe get one for yourself. I'll let you know what I think about this. This I highly recommend you get. It's amazing. It's 3-click. Yeah. I liked it so much that I wanted to get another Magnus lighter, and the rail looked like something I may like, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out today. All right, let's get into it. All right, here it is. Didn't cut all the way. Oh wait, I can just pull from the side. There we go. I'll throw that out. And here is the rail. Ooh, it's, I think, a bit shinier than the Toad X. This is also in titanium. It's lighter than the Toad X. Let me actually check by how much. So the Toad X is, this has Teflon plates, so this would be 62 grams, and the, I'm actually not sure. I'll have to check on that, and if I find out, I'll put it on the screen. So yeah, this is 62 grams, but this does feel heavier. Yeah, I already dig this thing. I like it. It's definitely thinner than the Toad X. I can still do the side. I can still push it to the side easily. Not as easy as the Toad X, because you guys can see the grip and stuff. But here you get that kind of like angled side. You guys can just push against it and then like that. So yeah, I love the way it sounds. I think it is louder than the, let me check. Yeah, this is a bit louder, but we can also actually go ahead and check that on the decibel reader. Well, this also does have one side tape on it. Maybe that's the reason why, but yeah. Come on, turn on. So 79 to 83. Yeah, I think it may be because of the tape. Let me go ahead and put some tape on there. All right, let's go ahead and get some tape for one side. Alright, go ahead and cut it right there. Put this tape back. But yeah, I mean, overall, I love the way this feels. It's smaller. Well, like, is it the same? It's the same length, but it's thinner. You guys can see right there by a lot, actually. So yeah, it's thinner, it's lighter, it's snappier. Yeah, I think my next, my next Magnus, I'm either gonna get, I'm gonna get the zirconium plates and see how that feels. So let's go ahead and just, let me just cut it by a little bit. What that is, I'm not gonna use that tape. 1 second. This is my favorite part, trying to get the tape off. Perfect. Now I'm gonna carefully cut it in the light. All right. All right, there we go. Got the tape on there. Let's see. Got the tape on there perfectly. It's perfect. So yeah, let's see. Gonna make sure to wipe off the junk. All right. So it made it quieter by 3 decibels. I guess, yeah, it's about 3 to 4 decibels still louder even with the tape. It was 87 without the tape, and it's still loud with the tape. But yeah, I just love the way this feels. Definitely recommend this. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I definitely recommend this. It just feels great in your hand. God, I wish I had gotten this with zirc plates or even in full zirconium body. Yeah, it's great. Let's actually try and do this. That's pretty cool. Half Totex, half rail. Pretty cool combo. All right. Well, that'll be all for this video, guys. Final thoughts for now, 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend it. I'm pretty sure these still are on sale. Or maybe I think Magnus is running these zirconium drop slots for this rail. But I think they should be available soon again. But yeah, definitely recommend it. Check them out on the socials down below. And yeah, so far both my Magnuses I love. I'm not gonna sell them. If I lost them, I will definitely try to get them again. So yeah, and this actually, at the time of this recording, this is still on sale. It's 20% off. You guys can get it. So yeah, great buy again. I'm gonna keep an eye out for future Magnus sliders. If there's anything I like, I'll pick it up. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.